Hello, and welcome to Nightmare 3 Days Weather Forecast. I'm Olubi, Adedamola. Later today, we expect predominantly sunny and hazy conditions to prevail over most northern cities and the central cities of the country. We expect the south to be in some cloudy conditions except for one or two places over the inland of the southeast of Enugu, Ikom, and Obudu, where we could experience some thunderstorms. We also expect some thunderstorms over part of the coast of Owerri and Port Harcourt, while the inland areas of the southwest, which includes areas around Ijebu-Ode and Ibadan, are also likely to experience some thunderstorms on Sunday evening. We expect temperature over the north to range between 32 to 34 degrees Celsius in most cities. Around the central cities of Kaduna and Abuja, we expect temperatures around 32 to 34 degrees Celsius. Over the southwest region, areas around Ijebu-Ode and Lagos, we expect temperature as high as 34 degrees Celsius. While over the southeast coast, we expect most cities around Port Harcourt, Calabar, Yenagoa to report temperature around 31 to 32 degrees Celsius. Monday is also expected to start in stable, sunny and hazy conditions over most north and central cities. The south is expected to be in cloudy conditions except for chances of thunderstorms over part of Calabar, Uyo, and Eket in the early hours of the day. We expect afternoon to hold more prospect for thunderstorms in the inland areas of the southeast of Enugu and environ, and also over the inland of the southwest of Ibadan, Ondo, Ijebu-Ode, and environ to also experience some isolated cases of thunderstorms on Monday afternoon. The air quality forecast over the country for Monday pulls the northwest and most cities in the central under LD air quality conditions, and this also includes places around the southwest inland of the country. Temperatures on Monday is likely to rise to about 36 degrees Celsius over the northwest, while the northeast should have temperature around 34 degrees Celsius over parts of Maiduguri and Yobe. We expect the central areas around Kaduna, the FCT, and Minna to also have temperature ranging between 32 to 34 degrees Celsius, while part of the southwest areas around Lagos and environ are likely to report daytime high of about 33 degrees Celsius. The southeast coast and environ should have places report temperature around 31 to 32 degrees Celsius. Tuesday is likely to give us some dustiest conditions over most northern cities with some level of deterioration in visibility to about 5,000 meters. We expect sunny and hazy conditions around the central cities and partly cloudy conditions to the inland areas of the south and coast of the south. We also believe there is some prospect of thunderstorms over parts of Calabar, Uyo, and Eket, where the heat levels is expected to rise and stimulate some early morning thunderstorms. Afternoon conditions over the north and the central is expected to remain the same, but there are poor prospects of thunderstorms affecting the inland of the southeast, areas around Enugu and environ, and part of the southwest inland of Ibadan, Ondo, Akure, and Ijebu-Ode are also likely to experience one or two chances of thunderstorms in the afternoon as well. The air quality index for Tuesday is likely to be quite unhealthy for most cities around the northwest and parts of Kano in the northwest as well, while areas around the central cities, including the FCT and Lafia, are also put in unhealthy air quality conditions, with the inclusion of areas around Yola in the northeast and part of the inland of the southwest, and one or two areas over part of the inland of the southeast, which includes areas around Benin and part of Oka, Calabar, and Uyo. We expect poor air quality conditions in these places going into Tuesday. Temperatures over the northwest is likely to rise up to about 37 degrees Celsius over Sokoto, while over Yobe, temperatures is also likely to remain around 37 degrees Celsius as well. Around Kano, temperatures are likely to be as high as 35 degrees Celsius. Around the central cities, including areas around Kaduna and Abuja, we expect temperatures to still range between 32 to 34 degrees Celsius, while over the coast of the southeast, temperature will not rise beyond 33 degrees Celsius over most cities. In the southwest, areas around Lagos and environ are also likely to report temperatures around 33 degrees Celsius. And that's where we'll leave you with this edition of our 3 days weather forecast. Do join us in the course of the week for more updates. I'm Olubi, Adedamola, and thank you for watching.